Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to Robinson's Magnolia. Today is a Friday. Long weekend na naman, guys. Traffic, guys, maambon-ambon pa dito sa Aurora Boulevard. Aurora Boulevard, Quezon City. Hello, Robinson's Magnolia. Laki pala ng Robinson's Magnolia, guys, oh. Dating ano to planta ng ice cream, Magnolia. Laki ng compound na ito. Laki ng property, corner to corner, Balete, and Domingo, Hemadi. Wow, laking property. Ang laking property nitong Robinsons na ito, guys. Alright, guys, thank you for watching, guys. Ito yung jeep na biyay sa amin sa Marikina, guys, oh. SSS Village, the Aurora to stop and shop. Ayan, guys, oh. Alright, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you.